everybody, it's Brandi from Play and Discover, and this is my daughter Kinley. Today we have a very fun and easy science experiment for you to do at home with your moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, or whoever you're staying with when we can't be at school. We have some milk, some food coloring,
and today we'll be using pink, green, and purple.
Some dish soap, and some Q-tips. First, we're going to pour the milk into this container. You only need a little bit, just enough to cover the bottom of the container. Next, we're going to add some food coloring.
And today I'll be doing 6 drops of each color.
Next, we're going to take the Q-tips and dip them in the dish soap. Once again, you only need a little tiny bit, just enough to cover the top. We're going to stick them in the milk and watch what happens. As you can see, the colors are exploding like fireworks.
And dancing around.
And dancing all around. We're going to keep doing this until the colors stop dancing.
And if you mix them together, it looks like strawberry milk.
There, I think we're done. That's all that we have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you try this at home, please let us know. Have a great day. Bye.